So we are going to make a logo of MR alphabet. So just take type tool and write MR and increase the size with Alt and Shift. If you want to edit type 2 letters, so we have to do just create outline and ungroup it. Now we have these separate alphabet. Just take pen tool and draw a line where you want to make a new design. So increase the size of the stroke color, just click on it and go to the object and add path and offset path. Offset path, you can add 1, 2, 3 and more lines to delete your object and to divide your object into different parts. So just I am going to make a 4 lines, just OK. Now you can see there are 4 lines, so just select all these and take shape builder tool. Just select this and press Alt. You can see the size of your mouse. Just drag here and delete where part you want. So press Alt and delete this one. So I am going to delete this one also because I have to add one different line. So you can see this is the one and this is the one, and there is the gap in these lines. So we have to create one more. Just take pen tool we will adjust this after. Just this one and take direct selection tool and change it to stroke color.
Shutterstock Music.
Stroke color here, and we are going to make a copy and do it here smooth. Just you can take smooth tool, select this one and you can press here. Now you can see this is the smooth tool, we used it. So I am going to make a copy of it. Just press Alt and paste here a copy. So if I click here, then this alphabet will be selected, but I have to select one by one part. So just release compound path. If I do it, then now we have another parts of one alphabet. Select these all and take the color, this one, just red. Okay.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
We are going to stop here, so I hope you will enjoy it. So please like, subscribe and share.